So you're in the market for a new gardening tool bag. I get it, maybe you switch them with the season, maybe you're just starting out, or maybe it's just time for an upgrade. I've been there myself, but I always get stuck on finding the best garden tool bag. I knew that there would be fellow gardeners out there in need of answers, so I let the rain take care of my garden this morning, while I sat down and set to work on finding the best garden tool bag out there. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Review finally present top 5 best garden tool bag. Let's get started. Number 5. California Picnic 9-piece garden tool. This garden tool bag is certainly one of the best you'll find. This pocket stock bag is made of some heavy-duty fabric to make sure it lasts. And if there's any sort of snag, don't sweat it. This bag comes with a 12-month warranty. The pockets on the outer section of the bag have elastic to keep your tools snug in place whenever you tote your tote, and has enough space to even store an extra set of gardening gloves. Plus, the outer pockets on this bag have little bungee cords to keep your tools exactly where you need them. This is a great bag for beginners. So if you're fairly new to gardening, this can really help set you on the right track by keeping you organized. Number 4. Bucket Boss Gatemouth Tool Tote. The next bag I've got in store is a tool tote in brown from Bucket Boss on Amazon, made of polyester. It's got 8 external pockets, 12 interior loops, is extremely durable, and has a steel handle with a foam rubber grip. If you're on the lookout for a bag meant to last, this is just what you've been searching for. It even has a heavy-duty binding and 11 liters of storage space. It's made of water-resistant polyester and rigid foam in the walls to make sure it's sturdy. The only downside, if you can even call it that, is that it's a little heavier than your average garden tool bag, weighing over 2 pounds. So if you're not one for lifting heavy tools often, this might not be the best choice. Other than that, it's one of the best garden tool bags I could find. I wish I'd known about this one earlier. Number 3. WORKPRO Garden Tool Bag. Third up on my list is the WORKPRO Gardening Tool Bag. This bag is made of durable, high-quality material with a reinforced bottom. It has a large capacity and external pockets for even more storage. And as a bonus, it has an anti-slip strap that's also soft and comfy. This bag stands up on its own, and its pockets are tall and big enough to fit a wide variety of tools. The pockets are also nice and deep to keep tools right in place. If you're looking for something big with lots of space that can fit all your tools and fertilizers, this just might be the bag for you. This is the best garden tool bag for using and abusing, and for the price, it's a steal. Talk about bang for your buck. Number 2. Housolution Gardening Tote Bag. The Housolution Gardening Tote Bag is a water-resistant, durable organizer with pockets. It's made with polyester fabric lining and comes in 2 sizes. And don't even get me started on the colors. If you're anything like me, you'll go nuts over a gardening bag that matches your outfit. This is a larger tote, no matter which size you get, with lots of pockets. It's a nice, practical bag that helps you get your tools from point A to point B without a snag. The only downside here is that the bottom dips down when you lift it up, and a few customers ended up placing a piece of plywood or paneling in the bottom to keep the bag from dipping down. Other than that, this bag is really top-notch. Number 1. Scuddles Garden Tool Set. Next up is this garden tool bag from Scuddles. Over 2,000 gardeners agree that this is one of the best garden tool bags on the market. Not only does it come with its own set of tools, but it also comes in a few different colors. But it doesn't come with just tools, you also get a pair of gardening gloves to go along with the cute design. This sturdy little bag is made to help you stay organized. It helps you get the job done right. This bag is great for beginners if you're just now getting into the gardening spirit, or you're introducing somebody else to the hobby. This bag is just the gift you've been searching for.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.